Oh, yeah, it's time. You're lucky you came to this channel today because I'm here to talk about something very, very interesting. Something you want to know about. And I ain't going to drag it, I'm going to go ahead and hop into it. But what I really want to share with you guys is this prop firm that I've been trading with. I want to say 9 months, probably it's been a year, off and on, right? In different stages, different phases, but I've been here. But I wanted to take a while before I shared this with everyone. I wanted to make sure that it was a prop firm that I believed in, because I promise you, I would never ever put anything in front of you that I don't trust in, or have tried myself. So it's been a while, like I said, and I believe in it. So with that being said, first thing I'm gonna do before I hop into this prop firm, I want to tell you a few things you should look for when you're going for a prop firm. First thing is balance based drawdown. And if you've been trading for a while, you know this to be true. We don't want nobody taking away and violating our accounts, right? If we done had cushion and then we lose 5%, but we still at the initial balance again. I don't want to lose my account, but come back and see me later if you want me to dive deeper and give you more information about drawdown. So, but that's the number one thing you should be looking for when you're looking for a prop firm. Second thing is no consistency rules. You don't want any of that crap. And three, especially if you're a scalper, we don't want to be prohibited from trading news or have all these stipulations with news. Four, you want to be able to do weekend trading. I'm gonna tie in with that because I want my fifth one: weekend trading and overnight holding. And last but not least, you want to make sure the prop firm pays out and pays out in a good amount of time. This particular prop firm will pay you out within 14 days. All in all, I think it's going to take you probably 21 days. Considering they have moved, maybe less than that. Considering that they have moved down, and we'll get into this soon, but moved down to three minimum trading days, phase one and phase two, right? And then after that, you pretty much can start trading your funded account. There's going to be a gap once you pass phase one, and then phase two, you got to wait for your stuff to be taken care of, and then you'll move into your funded account. But bam, 14 days after that, you can get paid. It ain't no waiting 30 days. So, yeah, that's good. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and hop into this. And I'm going to start you off right here. Alpha Capital Group .uk. They're from London, folks. I love them. So, this is a new little website. It's a little bit different than what they've had before, but I love it. Okay. So, up here they have put their promotions that they're having at this time, and it lets you know how long this promotion will be for. And then also, you got your home, but nah, I don't want to dive too deep. Maybe we can do another video later, but I really want to get to something very exciting about this prop firm. All those things that I told you to look for, this prop firm has them. They're not playing games. So I'm gonna hop on down to the actual packages so you can see what they have, and I'm gonna come back to this real quick. So just want to say that they do have accounts from 200k or 10k, right, all the way up to 200k. So you could have a max account size of 300k, but you can scale up to 2 million. All right. So phase one for any of the accounts is going to be the same. Max trading days is unlimited. We already know that's the industry standard for the most part. So that's what you guys should be looking for. Phase one is going to be 8%. 8%. Phase two is going to be 5%. And then of course nothing for funded. And eventually the profit share will be 80% once you get to the funded, of course. And then max drawdown is going to be 10% for all phases, and then 5% max daily drawdown for all phases. Again, this is balance based drawdown. This is what you want, guys. Equity, not gonna cut it. You never want equity, you never want relative, you always want static, balance based drawdown. Okay, so we already talked about it being minimum trading days of 3. Get this, zero commissions, guys, zero commissions. And I'm not just talking about commodities or indices, I'm talking about forex. Can't beat that. Show me who else got all of this, and 14-day payout. Come on now. You can trade through the news, you can hold over the weekend, and the fee, of course, is fully refundable in the end. Well, I'm not gonna say of course, because I've seen some prop firms out there that they're not giving you back your fee. So I'm just saying, we got a lot of them popping up now. So again, I'll show you the price of the most expensive one, $9.97. But don't worry, I got y'all. Okay. Matter of fact, they got y'all. They got a discount on the screen. So if you want to take advantage of that, or guess what? I'ma lend y'all that 20.5. I'll hand it to you. 20.5% discount. And then the cheapest one they have is a 10K. $97. You can't beat that. All right. So with that being said, I'm gonna go back up here and show y'all something. What makes this prop firm, besides all of the amazing parameters that they have, what makes this prop firm stand out amongst any other prop firm out there is the care that they took to put in their dashboard for you. Trust me, if you want to figure out what day is the best day to trade, what hour is the best time to trade, this is where you want to be, guys. I'm telling you right now. Okay, so they have advanced account analysis. This is what I was talking about, and I'll show y'all in a second once we get into the actual dashboard. So I'm going to just run over these. They have a custom built trading journal if you want to know what your trades were. There you go. They have a trade mate. Within this trade mate, it's a lot of market data news that they have out there. For the trade mate, you could also use that as an additional chart. There's an area that you can click on in there to get yourself to a new chart, and I like to bring that up to see my naked stuff, my naked charts or whatever, when I don't want to put all the indicators up. And also they offer free trials. Never ever get with a prop firm and try to trade with them if you can't test out your lot size. You can't test out. You need to test out all that stuff in your free trial. All right. They all, of course, offer monthly competitions, right? If you think you that hot and you ain't got the money, go out there and do the monthly competitions and earn yourself one of these packages. And they also have the leadership board where they show you the metrics of whomever is leading. So that'll be nice for you. I typically mind my business, to be honest with you. But this is some of the things that they like to highlight. One thing I did not mention, they have one-on-one risk reviews. Who out there is giving you a one-on-one risk review? You say you want help. These gurus, even me, are charging you to a fee to do whatever. You know what I mean? Go ahead and come over here to the Alpha Capital Group and let them give you a risk review. Minimum slippage. They're not lying. I promise you. They have minimum slippage. I've been in with some other prop firms where, hey, I ain't going to even talk about that. It's bad, y'all. It's bad. But get over there. Try it out for yourself. Don't believe nothing I'm saying. Don't ever believe what somebody's saying. Get over there and try it. They have the free trials. You can try it for free. Don't get no better than that. So they got competitive spreads. That's good too. So we already talked about the actual packages. They say bi-monthly, but in America we say bi-weekly. And depending on where you are, it means the same thing. Overall, it's every 2 weeks, no matter who's talking on whatever. So same thing. Oh, MT5 platform is the only platform they have at this time. However, they do have C-Trader coming soon. So more to come on that. And if you want the latest update, they do have a Discord where they keep you updated with the changes that are happening. All right. And they have awesome Trustpilot reviews. Maybe we'll do a video on that later to go through some of them. But before I move on into the dashboard, I want to show y'all something real quick. And I'm at 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to keep this video less than probably 17 minutes. All right, guys. If you want to know if these folks are credible, they've been mentioned on Yahoo Finance. Okay, I love when I see me a prop firm on Yahoo Finance. So again, they're from the UK, from London. They actually are working on expanding. That's how well they're doing. We all know that back in the day, not too many back in the days ago, there was a company who kind of fell through the shambles or whatever. This is a good sign when you can see that the prop firm is actually expanding and acquiring new intellectual properties. They acquired, according to Yahoo Finance, Traders Central Fund Corp. Okay, if you want to come over and read more about it, feel free to do that. We talked about some of these items here. We didn't talk about how quick of an execution you can do, right? It's under sub 50 milliseconds targeted, so that's cool. Let's see. And here's another thing. Oh, we already talked about it. One-on-one mentoring sessions. The custom built trading technology within their dashboard. All right. Just so much going on here. So many reasons of why you would want to be a part of this team. So, we got that taken care of. And now for the good stuff, we'll go ahead and hop into the dashboard, which went right here. Okay. So, within this dashboard, okay, your typical balance and equity curve diagram that you have here that shows you whatever you need to see. This is my free trial account, and I had some mess going on here. Overall, prevailed and came out of it, whatever it was. But yeah, this is just a free trial, but it's cool, right? Because the free trial looks just like the real deal. Okay. Shows you your minimum trading days, your profit, max loss, and daily loss. This is important. Also shows you the time that market resets, roll over. I think they are GMT +2 or something like that. Get on the Discord and ask them. I'm sorry. So insights. Wow. Okay. It shows you how many you've won, how many longs you've won, how many shorts you've won, your best trade, your worst trade, best trade with pips, average trade time, all right? Your lots, your average, not up here, but they do have it somewhere else. Yeah, this is good. Shows you what pairs you've traded, which pairs you do the best with. Has a trading journal. We talked about that too. All right, so back to the insights. We're going to go to the risk insights. Here you can see a lot of information, guys. Risk per trade. Don't have nothing going on here. Concurrent trades and lots per day. I'm just showing you guys, but I want to show you what's really, really beneficial in my opinion. So now that we went through the account metric, let's go to the account analysis. So here is where you can see deeper information. Okay? Again, results by the days, guys. Which are your best days? Apparently my best day is a Tuesday, according to this. Alright? This is all great information to see. Just take a look at it as I pass through. We don't want this video too long. Okay? And if you need to come back and rewatch this and pause it, do so. But here it's showing you the number of trades I did with whatever lot size I've used. Okay. Trade duration. How long do I have my trades open? And how much did I win with them being held for X amount of time? That's insane. Results by open hour. Okay. So that's just a account analysis. This is the general statistics here, which you've seen already. So I'm gonna close this. We got a couple of minutes left. I said I wanted to leave this 17 minutes and under, and I'm gonna stick to it. Don't be fooled by all these prop firms out here. These owners be in the Discord talking to us. They're always giving discounts, promotions, always looking out for people, even when things go wrong that they can't, predict. You know what I'm saying? Things happen, right? Well, y'all know, if you've been trading for a while with prop firms, things happen. But one thing I can say about this company is they care and they try to help people out. They're genuine. They're good people. People believe in this company as well. They've been paying out left and right. Again, don't ever go to a prop firm that has these crazy rules. You don't have to do that anymore. You don't have to do that anymore. Come on over here to Alpha Capital Group. I stand 10 toes down for this company. And if you in my Telegram, you know this to be true. Listen, they know once I find a prop firm that I like, that's what I'm rocking with. I ain't skipping and hopping. This is what I'm doing. I ain't telling you to put all your faith in one prop firm, but I'm telling you that you can add this one to your team. One love, much love. Go in my description. Get that 20.5% discount before I end it. You know what I'm saying? Take advantage of these opportunities, guys. 2 out.